share this. Ooh, look, another sale. Hey Naked family, so today I'm going to be showing you how to lighten your dark areas, your inner thighs, under your arms, whether it's your face, any area on your body that's dark, okay? So I get a lot of questions on how to use the Pussc Batter. So today I'm going to show y'all how I use it. And then we also have the scrub. It's the Glow For Me Turmeric Scrub. And then I also have the Turmeric Beauty Bar. It comes in a bundle. It's called EnLIGHTEN Me. So you get the beauty bar, which I'm going to insert a picture below because I don't have it with me. So I'm going to have so the Turmeric Beauty Bar, the Turmeric Scrub, and the Turmeric Mask. Now this comes in a powder. And all you have to do is simply get a spoon, dip it out, put it in a bowl, mix it with water. But let me just show y'all how it looks. It's got powder. Can y'all see me? Let's see, fix this. Let's see. Boom, there we go. Oh wait, let me put this a little bit. There we go. I'm trying to show y'all the bar, but. All right, so now, let me get a spoon on. So it comes with these mixing, I gotta get my camera straight, y'all. I don't know what's going on. But it comes with these. And what it is it's an applicator. It's a spatula applicator, which makes it easier for you to apply it on your body. So, let's get this. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna get a spoon. I'm gonna dip just a tad bit. Let me show y'all. So I have the spoon, and I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Then I'm gonna add some water. I have water right here. Add just a tad bit of water. And then I'm gonna mix it until it thickens. But see, if you put a lot of water, it's going to be loose. As you can see, it's loose. So now I'm going to just add a little more powder. And I would say to do the mask at least, what is it? I would say to do the mask at least twice a week. And the scrub at least twice a week. And also the Turmeric Beauty Bar every day. So what I do is I use my Turmeric Beauty Bar every day. Under my arms, on my face, on my inner thighs, and it's been lighting it up. And I do it every day, daily, morning and night, because I take a shower morning and night. So I use it morning and night. I use my scrub twice a week, and I use the Turmeric mask twice a week. And what I do is I have like a self-care Sunday. So I'll just put my mask. I'm in my bathroom. I'll have my face mask on. I'll have my mask down here. And I don't only use it on my inner thighs, I use it on my entire vaginal area. So it's kind of like a Vagacial. Yeah, Vagacial. So when I do the Vagacial, I put the Pussc Batter on my whole entire vaginal area. I let it sit for at least 10-15 minutes because I scroll through my phone and drink my little wine, read my book, let it sit there, and then I'll take it off, rinse it off, and then I'll apply it with the scrub when I'm in the shower, okay? So, I actually like this because, and keep in mind it has turmeric in it, so it does give you like a earthy turmeric smell. But I kind of like the smell because it lets me know that it's natural. So, it's like a reassurance. So, I'm going to tag the bundle underneath so you guys can give it a try. But like I said, this has been my regimen, and it's really been working. Summer is coming, y'all. We are trying to wear bikinis. We're not trying to walk around with dark areas, whether it's our inner thighs. And a lot of people have dark areas on their leg. So this will also help with that as well. So let's see. for y'all. So this is still, so like I said, if it's a little watery, all you got to do is add more powder. I don't want to keep using a lot of product, so I'm just going to show y'all how it looks. And then it just looks like that. You can see it. So yeah, I would say do this every day. I mean, do this twice a day. Do the turmeric every day, the turmeric beauty bar every day, and then the scrub. I love this scrub. I use it on my face. I use it on my body. It makes my body feel so soft. I remember when I first came out with these, and my cousin was like, oh my God, I feel like I have a baby butt. Like my boyfriend told me I have like a baby butt. And I was like, wow, like no, but seriously, it will make your body feel so smooth. So I'm gonna mix this up. And it comes with a wooden spoon as well. This way you don't have to get your fingers dirty, your fingernails dirty. And I'm missing a nail. But yeah, so it comes with a spoon, a wooden spoon. So you know, just apply it to help mix it up. It looks like honey. And it smells, oh my God, it smells so good, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all know what is it? The scent from Bath and Body Works. What is it called? What is it called from Bath and Body Works? Cashmere Glow. Cashmere Glow has that the amber musky vanilla scent. Like, it smells so good. So that's another reason why I love it. Oh, it smells so good. And then it gives you that soapy sud foaming. So actually, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my hand. And when you keep rubbing it, it suds up. I don't know if y'all can see it. It turns into like a foamy. It just turns into like a foamy. And then it, oh my God. And you can feel it working. Because it like scrubs all the, when I say the dead skin, I use it on my lips. So a lot of people have dark lips as well. So like I said, I use it on my face. So of course you have to hit your lips, under your arms, inner thighs, wherever is dark. This is going to do it. So it has turmeric in it. It has, of course, 100% cane sugar. It has in the turmeric root powder, and then it has oils. So it has the grape seed, the sweet almond, a little bit of jojoba, and sunflower seed, all of that good stuff. And now I'm going to rinse it off. Let me rinse it off. Well, of course, y'all not going to be able to feel it, but it just feels so smooth. Like, it feels so smooth. Y'all going to love it. But like I said, face, inner thighs, under your arms, you will be so happy. But a lot of people get upset because it's like they stop early because it's like they can't commit to something because they're so busy. But you have to really cater to yourself. You really have to do this every day as a routine if you really want to get it. Like, some people think it's gonna work if they just do it the first day and like, oh, it didn't work. No, you have to really be consistent with it. Otherwise, it won't work. And that's with any product. You're not gonna just get a result the next day. You have to be consistent. So, like I said, I do my Pussc Batter every twice a week. I do my scrub twice a week because you can't over exfoliate. So just make sure you're not doing it no more than twice a week. So yes, I do the scrub twice a week, the Pussc Batter twice a week, the beauty bar every day. No excuses. You have to wash your face. You have to get in the shower and wash your body. So add that to the routine. Add that to your soap. Whatever soap you use, keep that in the bathroom, in the shower. Keep one on your sink so that this way you don't have to keep swapping. I have two. I keep one on my sink, and then I keep one in the shower, so that when I'm in the shower, I don't have to go out the shower, grab it from the sink, or if I'm washing my face, I don't have to go and get it. It's too much. Keep it so that it's always visible for you to always use. And you will be okay. You will be so happy. Like, you will feel so confident. Like, because a lot of people tend to cover themselves when they're outside at the pool. And I had dark areas too. So I had to do something for myself. I'm gonna have to come up with something. And there you go. So it has the turmeric. The two main ingredients that I use is the turmeric root powder and lemon peel. Those are the two main active ingredients that's going to, and it's already made. Y'all don't have to do nothing. Everything is already made. All y'all have to do is buy the package. That's it. Done. Mix it with the water, and this is good. This is good. This lasts a long time. This lasts, I would say, how long this lasts me? Because I did it twice a week. So I honestly would say I had this for a good, going on 4 months. Going on 4 months. Yeah, because you only need a little bit. You don't need a lot. So going on 4 months, and I still had this. So this is worth the money, y'all. Trust me. Trust me. This is the best investment because, like I said, summer's around the corner. You want to feel good. You want to feel confident. You want your underarms to be light. You want your inner thighs to be light. When you with your man in the bedroom and he's doing his thing, you want it to be nice and clean and all of that good stuff. So, telling you, go get you some. But yes, I had to do this video, y'all. Hope y'all liked it. And like, comment, subscribe. Do not forget. Share this. Ooh, look. Another sale. Share this with your friends. I'm gonna be doing another sale on Valentine's Day. I just had a sale last week, Monday through Friday, for the entire week to go ahead and get you ready for Valentine's Day. And then I'm gonna have another Valentine's Day sale. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you are subscribed to the email list so that you can get all the updates on the sales that's coming up and new products. I also came out with a new product, y'all. Go check it out. It's a butterfly cleanser. I'm also gonna be doing another video washing my face with it. It smells amazing. It's butterfly pea and alkaline water and CBD. So it's a CBD facial cleanser, but the #1 active ingredient is butterfly pea. So I'm gonna explain more about the benefits and everything on my next video, like I said. But go check it out. And like I said, I hope y'all really like this video. I'm gonna do more on how to actually use my products because I get so many questions on how do you use this, how do you use that. So I thought that I was explaining it correctly in the benefits under the descriptions, but now I'm going to start doing videos and showing you guys more on how to use it. So I hope this video helped y'all, and I hope that you stay consistent to lighten those areas, okay? Because we not trying to be looking crazy. We trying to be nice and sexy, feel sexy, and just be comfortable and confident in our body, period. So I hope y'all liked it. See y'all later.